In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC. First, open your web browser. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, go to the search bar and search for YouTube. Open the official YouTube website from the search results. Once YouTube is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, look for the Install YouTube option and click on it. A small installation window will appear. Click Install to continue. Wait a few seconds while Chrome installs the YouTube app on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the YouTube app. You can now use YouTube directly from your desktop, just like a regular application. That's it. This is how you can download and install the YouTube app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.